Hey everyone, welcome back. And yes, as you know by the title, today is my second. Wow. I just said second. So today is my 22nd birthday and I wish to do a get ready with me. ये मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, मैं कुछ प्लान नहीं किया आज के दिन. There's nothing really exciting और कुछ पार्टी जैसा कुछ नहीं है. But me, my mom and my dad, we are going to watch the F1 movie. I was so excited about this. I think so अभी last, I don't know, don't comment me on this. I feel like this is the last week for the movie. उसके बाद चली जाएगी. And this plan was totally last minute that I want to watch the movie since I had no plans for my birthday. So I'm very excited and I want to do a get ready with me makeup tutorial. So let me just show you my outfit today. So this is the top I'm wearing. This is something like really new to me. I have never worn such a square cut thing and these sleeves, and this t-shirt looks really beautiful and cute. I got this from Westside and I'm gonna wear this with denim jeans. This is from Freakins and I totally love their jeans. मेरे पास Freakins की 3 jeans है. They have turned out so beautiful and every curly girl, I know it's super hard to get jeans. Please consider Freakins. So not gonna do any bakwasgiri. I washed my face. Actually, I just got my facial done 3 days ago. My face looks really glowy according to me. Since 1 month it was really polluted and everything. So let's go and start. So this is my makeup pouch and जो भी products इसके अंदर है, I'm gonna utilize all these things. These are all good quality stuff. पर जो है मेरे पास बाकी मेकअप भी है, but those are all like 5 to 6 years old. I know I need to throw them, but I'm not gonna use all this today. Here is all the good stuff which lies. So let's start. I think so I'm wasting a lot of time. हमारा मूवी है 4 बजे का and I was thinking whether I should put sunscreen or not. But it's a very stupid thing to say that sunscreen is the most important thing ever. I'm gonna also list all the names of the product that I'm using, because then I'll get comments regarding what products I'm using. So it will be really easy for me to just list them down below. This sunscreen मैंने choose किया था Dot & Key for the very first time. And it is super light. It feels like I have nothing on. Sunscreen is done. Next I am going to go with my concealer. I don't have a foundation, plus at the moment I don't even like putting foundation. पता नहीं वो बहुत ज़्यादा heavy लगता है. So I'm just gonna skip foundation and go for concealer. As you can see, my skin is at its worst. I've never ever had such a breakout. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. I'm just literally getting pimples with pus. One more thing just to let you know, I love makeup and मैंने एक new resolution बनाया है that from now onwards, whichever makeup I buy, I'm gonna get a vegan and cruelty free makeup. पहले मुझे ना ये terms का मतलब I didn't know, and then when I found out, I'm like, people should go for vegan and cruelty free makeup. Firstly, cruelty free because I have a heart for animals, and testing on animals is something that I just can't. I mean, why? I don't know. I feel like, why can't testing be done on criminals or some people who have done some stupid crimes or something? Animals don't deserve this, seriously. Concealer is done. So straight I'm going to jump to my eyes. I have 2 palettes as of now. I have more actually, but ये दोनों मेरे favorite है. This is from Morphe and this is from Swiss Beauty. This has everything you need. I don't know, my heart is saying to go for this one because these are the colors that I want to go for, because I don't know, मैं बहुत confused थी. Should I go for a pink tone makeup, like a soft girl in pinks or browns? My mind is going towards browns. My heart is saying pink. I don't know. Let's create a combination of browns and pinks. So I'm going with this palette. I even have 3 brushes. इसको जाने दो, ये बहुत गंदा है. I'm not using it. So I'm gonna use this angular one. छोड़ो, you know what? I'm just gonna do something very basic, something in browns. You know, there's also one thing कि मेरे मन में आ रहा है. When we were kids and we used to go for such makeup which used to come so cheap and in this fancy packaging. But later on जब ये मुझे पता चला, I was like, throw it instantly. उस पे ना सब fungus आ जाता था. You know, when I used to learn makeup which consists of such boring colors, it's not boring at all. Something in browns. You know, we always used to get fascinated to see exciting colors like green, blue, pink. I mean, it is so... You never use these colors for eye makeup usually. Now I feel so happy that when you get such nude colors where you can use literally everywhere. It's perfect for office use, if you're going for a party, or just to meet someone. Is just so perfect. I'm going in with a little darker shade now. I've put a lighter shade. And I feel that's it. Let's just keep it very light and simple. मुझे थोड़ा घमंड आ रहा है अभी. I have some shimmers. Let's try to put it in my inner eye. ठीक है, I mean it's my special day, so I can put some glitter. That's probably looking a bit good. Okay, I think bus. I should stop now. After this, I'm gonna go with my liner. ये मैं obviously camera पे नहीं कर सकती. I'm very good at it. Let's say I'm claiming this in my video, but yeah, I'll just put it and be back.
One eternity later.
So I've done one eye. One eye is complete. Now the challenge is to do the other eye. Let's see how it goes. It's looking weird. I have done something which is not right. I feel like this one is thicker. This one is perfect. Does it make so much sense? Is anybody even going to notice me? I think so not. Next, I'm going to go with the blush. This is one of my favorite things. This is something that you can use. This is like a one product thing. So this is a liquid lip and cheek tint. This is from SheGlam. I got it from Dubai, and this has been my favorite thing ever. The days that I want to keep it natural, soft, not even heavy, this is my go-to thing. So I'm just gonna do my cheeks for the day with this. I don't know if it's too much. No, I think so. It's perfect. It's perfect. Everything will align at the end. So last but not the least, we are going to go towards the lips. I have 2 lip liners. I just have 2 anyways. So this one is Rosy Nude. It's by Essence. I love this. But this is from Insight. Catfish. ये color भी बहुत थोड़ा intense है. I feel like I'm going to go with this one. Lastly, I'm going to go with my lipstick, which I have, and this is the Superstay Vinyling by Maybelline in the shade Peachy. You have to shake it a bit because ये थोड़ा dry हो जाता है बार बार. But I totally love this. I mean, this will stay for a really good time. Last but not the least, I'm going to use powder. This is again from Maybelline. ये गिरने वाला था.
2 hours later.
And that's it for my makeup, and I feel like it's pretty good. मैं सोची थी that I should go with highlighter, which I feel is not necessary because I want to keep it very light. And yeah, this is my complete look. I'm very happy with it. It has the browns that I needed. It has the pinks, everything, and it looks like a soft girl makeup, which I love it. कल रात को मैंने टिंसल्स भी लगाया था. I don't know why, but ये time they are barely visible. So I'll show you my look once I'm ready. And yeah. Wait, guys. I was so busy into makeup that the most important thing I भूल गई. Something that I've really been obsessed over doing makeup nowadays is putting my mascara. And yeah, that was my mascara and I'm looking extra pretty now. My eyelashes have been growing really beautifully now. पहले मेरे इतने से eyelashes होते थे. But yeah, nowadays I love putting mascara. So you can continue now.
And that's it for the get ready with me. And yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye bye.